Ringkat Batkari Barok Away. Ki khana school jaga St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning ri Bhoi district. Kala Rakhe ka singi lai lu jaga ri India lane ka Independence Day lengba ka March Pass ki jingshat bat ki jingruai ki bala penyap be ki kemi ki pa bat ki tu baro ki bala sakhilang ha ka ni ka singi. Ha ka ni ka singi UMDC jaga VPP na Mauhati constituency ba kenjo lang rang tong. Ubadai ru Deputy Chairman ke KHEDC ulalong ukongsan. Ha ka jingdan lang ka Reverend Sister Aidalin Soklet Principal jangka St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning. Reverend Padar Binoy CMF Rector jangka St. Claret Seminary. Reverend Padar Bhakupar Shadap CMF Dean of Students jangka St. Claret Seminary. Ba Carlos Kharkongor President jangka School Managing Committee kinong hikai bat kikimi kikpa jong ki khana school.
Approaching towards the saluting dais. Now at your side, the precious march of green team boys and girls. Dressed in green symbolizes nature, renewal, generosity and fertility. Led by the commander Philando Dranuel Nombet, the flag bearer Wanswa Patau, and the placard bearer Iban Ksan Nombet, and the girls commander Brittany Mary Simley. Again, approaching the saluting dais, now the red team boys and girls, which is marching majestically in front of us, dressed in red, symbolizes passion, sincerity, power and strength and fertility. It is led by the commander Delio Kalla, the flag bearer Austin Nelson Simley, and the placard bearer Plashan Nomrom, and the girls commander Rose Mary Nomtri. Approaching the saluting dais, it's the yellow team. Dressed yellow symbolizes joy, happiness, optimism and idealism. Led by the commander Nigi Joy Kalangi, the flag bearer Ilyas San Lindo, and the placard bearer Shambalang Lindo Shillong, and the girls commander Pinhun Lang Nong Sap. Here comes the higher secondary section boys, marching gloriously with grandeur and glory, led by the commander Alfred Jana, the flag bearer Barikula Dingdo, and the placard bearer Mark Anthony Kaljarin. Following the boys, next comes the girls, marching graciously with perfection. contingents. Thank you to all the marching contingents for marching in unison. The march past itself symbolizes unity and patriotism.
Okay, the secret is this. It is easier for me to be the chairman in the Khasinews of the Muslim Council than to be the chief guest in front of my teachers. That's the secret. Respected principal, Reverend Fathers from St. Seminary, Babu Carlos Khubor, and my dear friends. It is truly an honor and a very emotional moment for me to stand here in front of you today. Not just as the chief guest, but as a past student of this great institution. Coming back to my school brings back so many memories. The classrooms, the teachers, the friends, and especially the dreams I had. I never imagined that I would return here in the school as a chief guest. I thank the school for this, especially my beloved teachers. As we gather here today to celebrate this pre-Independence Day, let us remember with deep gratitude
protection and sacrifice stands as a powerful metaphor for a renewed, bold and comprehensive anti-terror doctrine. It is a mission that calls every Indian to unite, to protect and to rise beyond fear. The idea of Operation Sindoor finds its roots in the tragic attack at Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. On April 22, 2025, a horrific terrorist attack took place at Pahalgam, where 26 civilians were brutally killed, including a young Navy officer and an intelligence bureau official. Though no army soldiers were killed,